wonderful novel by Rehan Alvi, Tabir Ki Talash Mein. This was launched at the Islamabad Literature Festival, and the event was a very well attended and a very popular event that was enjoyed by everybody. Mr. Rehan Alvi himself was there, and the famous Urdu writer Mustansar Hussain Tadar, and the Australian High Commissioner, and it's a very sensitively written novel, and we are very happy to have been able to launch it.
میں یہ سمجھتا ہوں کہ ہمارے جو دوست باہر گئے ہیں، جو اسٹیبلش ادیب تھے، جب انہوں نے باہر جا کے لکھا ہے تو وہ اتنی طاقتور چیزیں نہیں لکھ سکتے. الوی کا کمال یہ ہے کہ انہوں نے ایک بالکل مختلف چنا ہے سبجیکٹ جو، اور انہوں نے وہ سبجیکٹ چنا ہے جس کو یہ 20-25 سال سے ایکسپیرینس کرتے آئے ہیں. اسی لیے ان کے جو سبجیکٹ میں جو گہرائی ہے پوری، مطلب ایک فلاسفیکل اس میں گہرائی ہے، لیکن میرا خیال ہے کہ اردو میں یہ پہلی
of the diaspora. I think the experiences that he recounts, some of them are particular to Australia, the boat journey of the asylum seeker. It picks up some of the aspects of Australian life in the parts set in Australia, but also, having lived here 3 years, many of the settings in Pakistan are also very familiar. But enjoyable, topical, a strong and interesting narrative, and something that obviously reflects the author's background. And something I think from an Australian perspective, it's great to see somebody writing in Urdu from Australia, but also being able to present the same story, the same narrative in his own voice as he uses it in Australia.
Thank you very much.
Beyond the Dreams. It's a great work of literature. آپ اتنی اچھی اردو بولتے ہیں کہ آسٹریلیا میں آپ کی آواز سنی جاتی ہے، بلکہ پوری دنیا میں سنی جاتی ہے جو آپ آسٹریلین ریڈیو سے بولتے ہیں.
Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, this evening we are also recognising the achievements of Australian.
He makes frequent trips to Pakistan, but he's here at the moment mainly to launch a book he has written, a novel titled Beyond the Dreams in English and Tahir Ki Talsh Mein in Urdu. Forgive my Urdu pronunciation. So the formal launch for this will be at the Islamabad Literary Festival held later this month. But I wanted to take this opportunity to recognise Rehan and his achievement in writing the first novel in both English and Urdu. Rehan, if you'd like to join us up on stage, please.
شاید آج حماد
अली गुल से सब कुछ कह देना चाहता था। हाँ, मुझे मानसेरा में तुम्हारे साथ गुजारे हुए वो दिन अच्छी तरह से याद है। अली गुल ने माजी में झांकते हुए कहा, मेरा दिमाग मायूस सा होने लगता। जिस दीन में किसी के लिए मुस्कुरा देना भी सदका है, वो दीन किसी बेगुनाह को तकलीफ पहुंचाने या कत्ल करने पर जन्नत का इनाम कैसे दे सकता है? दादू की बातें मुझे कश्मकश में मुब्तला किए रही थी। मैं जितना खुद को टटोलता उतने ही उलझता चला जाता।
The Consul General, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. And part of culture is literature. I have been in Karachi.
Oh, that's great.
I have been, that was a long time ago, part of a parliamentary delegation in 1982. For me, I haven't been to Waziristan, but I have been to Peshawar, and I've been to Islamabad, and I've been to Lahore. This is a unique occasion, a very special occasion. But above all, for me, it's an Australian occasion. I'm just so delighted that you invited me to share the evening with you. Thank you.